Hello everyone, welcome to the NRH channel. Dear students, in yesterday's class we have seen the one important theorem, that is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratios of their corresponding sides. Now today, based on that theorem, we'll see the exercise number 6.4. See the first question. Let triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. The given two triangles are similar and their areas be respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. If EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter, then find the side BC. Here the given two triangles are similar and they given their corresponding the areas are of two triangles are 64 centimeter and the 121 centimeter. Here they given one side, you have to find the corresponding side, that is the BC is equal to question mark. So children, solution. See, in triangle ABC they given two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF, correct. So they given both are similar and their corresponding areas are, so area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF, correct, is equal to which side they given. In the triangle ABC they given the side BC divided by the side what they given EF whole square, because according to the theorem the areas of the two triangles are is equal to the corresponding sides of their side square. So substitute the values, you'll get the answer. So how you can write like this? You have to write the reason. So what is the reason? The ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the square of the ratios of their corresponding sides. Now substitute the value. Area of triangle ABC is they given 64 centimeter square divided by 121 centimeter square is equal to BC divided by, as it is outright, because you are going to find the BC values. EF how much they given? 15.4 centimeter whole square, correct children. So is equal to 64 is the square number of which one? 8 divided by 121 is the square number of 11 whole square, correct. So is equal to BC divided by 15.4 whole square. So whole square get cancelled, then do the cross multiplication. 11 into BC is equal to 8 into 15.4. Then BC is equal to 8 into 15.4 upon 11. So is equal to, see here, 11 1 ja 11, 11 1 ja 11, remains 4 decimal point, 11 4 ja 44. So what is the mean? 8 into 14. So BC is equal to 8 into 14 is equal to, it is 11.2 centimeter. So this is the side of the BC. I hope you understood children. So let's move to the next example, second one. See the second question, student. Diagonals of trapezium ABCD. So diagonals of the trapezium they given. So first you have to draw the one trapezium. You know that what is the trapezium? On one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So give the name ABCD is the trapezium. the diagonals of trapeziums are bisect each other at the point give the name O. So diagonals of the trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. If AB is equal to, see what they given, one more point, AB is equal to 2 times of CD. See, CD is the 2 times of the AB. For example, AB is the 10 means this is the 5. I hope you understood, children, what is the question. So AB is equal to 2 times of the CD. Then find the ratio of the areas of triangle AOB and triangle COD. Find the ratios of these two triangles. Now first you have to compare these two triangles by based on the theorems, ratio theorems. You have to find the areas. So solution. So in triangle AOB and triangle COD, so make the both first similar. So when you can say that both triangles are similar, their two angles are equal, then you can say that both triangles are similar. So in these two triangles, they given AB is parallel to CD because one pair of opposite sides are parallel in the trapezium. So angle A, or first rather was right, angle OCD is equal to angle, which angle in this triangle? Angle OAB. Correct. Angle OCD is equal to, in this triangle, angle OAB. Why that reason? Because alternate interior angles. Because AB is parallel to CD, they given. I hope you understood, children. See next one more element. See angle O, angle COD is equal to angle AOB. Why? Because vertically opposite angles. Because when the two lines are intersect means their vertically opposite angles are equal. So two angles are equal means third angles is also equal. So what can I say? That therefore triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD by which rule? By angle similarity criteria. So these two triangles are similar means what about their sides here? So area of triangle, see one more point what they given here, AB is equal to 2 times of the CD. Remember they given AB is equal to 2 times of the CD. So area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD. So is equal to, see what is the area of triangle AOB? You have to write their corresponding sides, that is the AB divided by, correct, in this triangle because both are similar means their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So AB divided by, what is that? CD. Correct. So is equal to AB, how much they given? AB is 2 times of the CD. So square. Correct. Because according to the outright theorem, the areas of the ratios of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the areas of the corresponding sides of the triangles. You have to write the reason, then divided by CD whole square. Correct. This is the area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD. So is equal to, see, CD get cancelled, 2 divided by 1 whole square. So is equal to 2 square means 4 and divided by 1. Then what is the ratio here? So area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle, what is that? COD. Then a ratio is how much is there? 4 by 1. Otherwise you can write 4:1. So I hope you understood, children, how to find the ratios of their corresponding triangles of the given trapezium. So what you have to do the homework, I will send in the WhatsApp group. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.